Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Premiere Pro. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right, guys, I have already imported the video, which we're going to use in this tutorial. Let's add the video to the timeline, then go on your left and click on these two small icons right here and click on Effect. Then search for Transform and add this effect on the video. Now, after this, make sure you are in Effects Control and go on the where you want to start a zoom in effect. In this case, we are adding the effect from start. So now click on this stopwatch where it says Scale. That's your starting keyframe. Now let's go somewhere around 9 seconds and increase the scale from 100 to 110. You can also play with position keyframes as well. Here is the result.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said.
That's how you can do Zoom in Premiere Pro. Let me know in the comments if you have any question. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want to know how to crop in Premiere Pro, then watch this video. Thanks for watching.